Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to start new block using a map. Seventh block using a map. While teaching you fifth block, I already showed you map. What is map? Map is drawing earth or part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Drawing earth on a or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Flat surface is called map. Okay, so that is map. Drawing earth or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. So map is very useful to us. Isn't it children? How map is useful to us? Yes, map is used to it is very useful. It is used to understand the location of a place. It is used to understand the location of a place. Understand the location. We can understand the location of place by using map. If we don't know the place, the way to reach a place, which is very useful to us. Yes, map is useful to us to understand the location of a place. Okay, so how map is useful to us? To find out the way, or exact location of a place, map is very useful. Okay, find out the way. We can easily find out the way to reach a place. Find out the way to reach a place. Okay, so maps are very useful. If we are going to visit Taj Mahal, a map or photograph of a Taj Mahal is useful to us. Yes, it is map. Exactly, map is useful. Why children? Yes, photograph will only show the picture of a place, right? But the map shows the exact location of a place. By using the map, we can easily reach the place. Okay, so a photograph or map is useful to find out the location of a place. It is map. So if we want to go to any place, photograph is not at all useful. Photograph only show the picture of that place. Okay, but map will show the exact location of that place. So by using the map, we can go to any part of our country. So we studied what is map. Drawing earth or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Okay, then how is map is useful? Yes, map is used to find out location of a place. It easily helps us to find the way to reach a place. Okay, then we studied when we want to go to Taj Mahal. A photograph of a Taj Mahal or map is useful to us. Yes, it is. Map is useful because a photograph shows only the picture of that place, only the picture of Taj Mahal and its surroundings only we can understand by using a photograph. But when we look at the map of Delhi, we can easily reach there. By using this map of Delhi, we can easily reach to Taj Mahal. Okay, so map is very useful to us. Okay, the next thing we have to study, what is atlas? What is atlas children? Atlas. Atlas is a book of map. Got it? And it containing different kinds of map. Okay, it is a book. It is a book containing or includes different kinds of map. Containing different kinds of map. That is atlas. Different kinds of map. So what is atlas? Kinds of map. So what is atlas? Atlas is a book containing different kinds of map. So when we look at the atlas, we will get all the map together in one book. Political map of India, physical map of India, climatic map, world map, everything will be available in one book. That is atlas. Okay, so what is atlas? Atlas is a book containing different kinds of map. Okay, it is a book of map. A set of map we can see in the atlas. Okay, so this is one new word for you, atlas. Atlas is a book containing different kinds of map. Okay, the next thing, it is cartography. Cartography, another new word for you. Cartography. Cartography means what, children? Cartography means the way to make map. The way to make map is called cartography. Okay, so what is cartography? Cartography means the way to make map is called cartography. Then who is making map? They are called cartographers. Okay, so cartographer, who is that cartographer? Cartographers are the people. They are making map. Okay, so what is cartography? Cartography means the way to make map is called cartography, and the people who make the map are called cartographers. Okay, the people who make the map. The people who make map are called cartographers. Okay, so we studied some new words today. Which are the new words? What is map? We studied. What is map? Drawing earth or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Okay, the map is very useful to us to locate the places. We can easily understand the way to reach a place by using a map. Okay, then we studied what is atlas. An atlas is a book containing different kinds of map. Okay, then we studied what is cartography. Cartography is the way to make a map. The way to make map is called cartography. And what is who is cartographers? Cartographers are the people who make map. The people who make map are called cartographers. Next part is elements of a map. Elements of a map. Elements of a map. So see, children, to make a map, different elements are needed for making a map. So we already studied the way to make map are called cartography, and the people who make the map are called cartographers. We studied. Now we are going to learn about elements of a map. So to make a map, different elements are needed. Can you say any elements that is needed for making a map? Yes, one thing it is title. For each map, a title is must. Okay, so one important element to make map, it is title. So first itself we can see the title for a map. India political map, India physical map, India climatic map. Like that, title is must for a map. Okay, so one of the most important element of making map is its title. Okay, then second important element, it is directions. Directions are must. Okay, directions or compass rose is the next thing. Directions or compass rose is the another thing. It is must for making a map. So we know, without knowing the directions, we cannot understand the map. Okay, so we know 4 directions will be marked in the map. Okay, so directions or compass rose is the another important element of a map. So compass means, you know, it is an instrument used to understand directions. North, south, east, west, we can understand by compass. How can we understand? Yes, this compass has a needle, red colored one needle is there. That needle always point out to north. If we understand the north, we can easily understand other directions. Okay, so another important element for making a map, it is directions or compass rose is the next element of making map. Okay, then what is the next element, children? It is legend or key. Legend or keys are very important to make a map. Legend or key means some symbols or colors used in the map. So to understand the state capital, you can see one red colored dot you can see here. See, this is legend. So red colored one dot you can see. That red colored dot shows state capital. So if we want to understand the capital of Tamil Nadu, we have to check that red colored dot. It is Chennai. So we can easily understand, we can easily read the map by using these symbols and colors. Okay, so that is the use of legend. Legend or keys shows some of the symbols and colors used in the map. Okay, so different symbols also used in the map. Okay, colors means we know water. In which color? Yes, water shows blue color. So we can see the water color is blue. So when we look at the color, this blue colored all part shows water. Okay, so we can easily understand this all part is covered by water. In India's 3 part is covered by water we studied. So east, west and south, it is 3 part is covered by water. So that blue color shows water. Okay, so this is the way we can understand. When we look at the physical map of India, we can easily understand the different colors are used in the map. Mountains, brown color, plains, green color, like that way different colors are used in map. The next important element used to make map, it is scale. And scale of the map shows the actual area shown in the map. Okay, so what is scale? Scale of map shows the actual area shown in the map. So to make a map, these all elements are must. Without using these all elements, the map will be incomplete. It will not be a true map. Okay, so which are the elements needed for a map? A title is must. Title, directions or compass rose. Directions or compass rose. Then next it is legend or key. Legend or key, symbols, colors and scale. These are the elements used to make a map. So what are the elements used to make map? Title, directions or compass rose, legend or key, then symbols, colors and scale. These are the different elements used to make a map. So by using these all elements, cartographers are making map. It is very important to use all these elements. If it is one element is missing, then it will not be a true map. Okay, so all the elements are very important to make a map. Okay, so this much only we have to discuss today. What are the elements of map? So today we studied what is map. What is map? Drawing earth or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Then we studied what is the use of map. Map is used to understand the location of a place. We can easily understand the way to reach a place by using a map. Then we studied what is the difference between a map and photograph. Photograph only show the picture of a place, but map shows the exact location of a place. Okay, then we studied what is atlas. What is atlas? Atlas is a book containing different kinds of map. Then we studied what is cartography. Cartography is the way to make map. And what is cartographer? Who is cartographer? Cartographers are the people, they make map. The people who make map are called cartographers. Then we studied elements of a map. What are the elements required for a map? So very important elements that used to make map are title, directions or compass rose, legend or key, symbols, colors and scale. These are the most important elements used to make map. So all these elements are very important. Without these elements, the map will not be a true map. Okay, so this much enough for this much only we have to discuss about elements of map today. In detail about it we will study in the next class. So today now we are going to discuss about workbook. Okay, so everybody take your workbook, page number 39. Page number 39, elements of a map. Elements of a map. So everybody write the date at first. First question is, you want to visit the Charminar in Hyderabad. What will help you to reach there? A photograph of the Charminar or a map of Hyderabad. Why? That is the question. So Charminar is a place, tourist place in Hyderabad. If we want to go to Charminar, what is helpful to us? A photograph or a map of Hyderabad. Which is helpful, children? Yes, map is helpful. Why map of Hyderabad is helpful? Yes, map shows the exact location of a place, but the photograph shows only the picture of Charminar. Okay, that is the answer. So map will help us to reach Charminar because map shows exact location of a place, but photograph shows only the picture of that place. Okay. Next one, circle and label the elements of a map in the map. So one map is given to you, so we have to mark and label. We have to label the elements of a map. So we already discussed the elements of a map. So see, children, which are the elements we can see here? Yes, first one, title we can see. Title. Where is title? You can see. Yes, this is the title. Major tourist circuits. India major tourist circuits. It is title. Okay. Then second one, on the top you can see N. N is marked there. It is direction. So you can write there directions, or north arrow you can write there directions. Okay. Then here you can see one table. You can see what is that? Yes, it is legend or key. It is legend or key. So it is legend or key you can mark. Then last one here you can see scale. Scale is here. Okay. Map note to scale you can see. It is written map note to scale. So that area you can write there scale. Okay. So these are the some elements you can find out from the map. Okay. So directions, title, legend or key, and scale. Next, can you name any one element of the map which is not very useful and can be ignored while using a map? Give reason for your answer. Can we ignore any element of map, children? No, we cannot ignore any element because all these elements are important because they give all the details about the information shown of a place. Okay, so without these elements, the map will not be true. Okay, so how we will write the answer? All the elements of a map are important because they give all the details about the information shown of a place. Without these elements, it will not be a true map. So this is the way you have to write the answer. Okay, so elements of map, this much enough today. Then we have to discuss two practice questions, children. So everybody take your textbook, page number 42, and we have to write two practice questions 2 and 3. So first question, it is what is a map? Many times we discussed in the class. Map is drawing of earth or a part of earth on a flat surface is called map. Okay. Then second question is name the elements of a map. So what are the elements used to make a map? First one, it is title. Second one, directions or compass rose. Third one, it is legend or key, symbols, colors, and last one, it is scale. So these are the elements used to make map. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. So I hope everybody understood today's class. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye.